Hey, YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting for you. 10 creative ways to repurpose your old smartphone. Instead of letting it collect dust in a drawer, let's make the most out of it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tech tips. Let's dive in. First up, turn your old smartphone into a security camera. Download a security camera app, set it up in a strategic location, and voila! You've got yourself an extra set of eyes on your home. Turn your old phone into a dedicated music player. Load it up with your favorite tunes, connect it to a Bluetooth speaker, and you've got the perfect setup for impromptu dance parties or relaxing evenings. Transform your old smartphone into a digital photo frame. Upload your favorite pictures, set it on a stand, and enjoy a rotating display of precious memories. Bring your old phone into the kitchen and turn it into a recipe guide or cooking timer. It's the perfect kitchen assistant. Just make sure to keep it away from the water and flour. Did you know your old phone can become a universal remote control for your smart home devices? Download the necessary apps, sync them up, and simplify your smart home experience. Entertain your little ones by transforming your old phone into a kid's entertainment device. Load it up with educational apps and games to keep them engaged. Give your car a tech upgrade by using your old smartphone as a GPS navigator. Mount it on your dashboard, and you're ready to hit the road with turn-by-turn directions. Convert your old smartphone into a home automation hub. Control your smart lights, thermostat, and other devices from the palm of your hand with the right apps. If you love reading, turn your old phone into a dedicated ebook reader. There are plenty of apps that offer a vast library of books for you to explore. Last but not least, consider donating your old smartphone to a charity or recycling it responsibly. Many organizations accept old devices to refurbish or recycle them, reducing e-waste and helping those in need. And there you have it, 10 awesome ways to repurpose your old smartphone. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Until next time, stay tech savvy